YouTube, what's going on? It's Sam's Diecast Showroom here. Today we're going to be opening up some mystery models I've accumulated from the 2024 Mixes 1 and 2. Today's a beautiful day, so we're going to be doing them outside. I kind of already accidentally opened this one up, but this is number 4 for Mix 2. And look at this bone shaker, guys. This is such an awesome bone shaker, and sorry, there's a lot of background noise. I don't know if you can hear it, but the neighbors are being really loud. Anyway. Look at this. I'm kind of being loud with my commentary. That's all right. Look at this bone shaker. Such a sweet mystery model bone shaker. We got chrome interior on this one and yellow wheels. I think that is really cool. I don't think I've ever seen yellow wheels before, in the back at least. They spin very nicely. And it looks like an open roof casting. Bone shaker on the top there. And birds are being really loud too. That's okay. You guys can bear with me. We'll be fine. And looks like I think there's a sticker that comes with it. Yeah. Look at that bone shaker. Boom, right there. All right. Next up, this is also from Mix 2. What do we got? Number 10. So it should be a Cruise Bruiser, I believe. I got the Mix 2 ones pretty recently. So yeah, look at this Cruise Bruiser. I have a few of these. This is a nice casting. I like it. I actually like this casting a lot. Looks a little squatted, though. But I like the colors on this one. It's got pink wheels in the back. So I think this series is like a Demolition Derby themed series, which I think is really cool. Check that out, guys. That's a metallic kind of like aqua color. It's very nice. There you guys go. Beautiful ride. Cruise Bruiser. Number 10 in that mystery model series. Next up, also from Mix 2, number 5. I forgot what number 5 even was. We're about to find out really soon. We're not even going to look at all the stickers. Okay, so this is the Lethal Diesel. What the heck? I have never seen those rims before. I think that's the first time I ever used those wheels. This is a really cool looking ride. Lethal Diesel. I remember when this first came out, this casting, back in 2021. Interesting wheels, though. I really like it. 5, right on the top. Look at those designs. Okay. These fantasy cars, okay. Some of these fantasy cars are pretty good looking from the Mystery Model series. Also, another Mix 2. What do we got here? Number 3. Okay, so this is the, should be like a Plymouth Barracuda or something. It's a chase. Okay, well, we're having a little bit of trouble opening this one up. Okay, am I really this bad? Hold on. Reset. Just give me 1 sec. Okay, so we managed to get it open. Just took a few seconds. Look at this. Yep, we got a chase here. Very nice looking chase. What do we got? Yeah, it's a 68 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. What a pretty ride this is. Look at the color. Hot Wheels salvage on that. Very nice looking Plymouth. I have a few colors of this casting. This is a very nice addition to the collection. Mystery model chase. Anything, pretty much anything that's a licensed model is a chase. I think that's how they go. But very nice ride. Gotta love it. And let's see here. What do we got here? All right, so this is Mix 1. What do we got for Mix 1? Okay, number 8. I completely forgot what number 8 even is. So, oh, is it a DAVancenator? It is a DAVancenator. I have a few colors of this casting. That's why I decided to pick it up. But it's got a moving lip. And what's the theme of this pack? Is it like, okay, so it's like a road racing kind of. It's kind of like a race, like a street racing or like a rally racing. Very nice, though. Nice colors. Not the greatest looking of fantasies. I just decided to grab it since I have a few colors of it already. And Walmart exclusive mystery model. Not bad. Metal base. plastic tops on these as well. Feels good to finally get these open. Oh, here's another mix too. What do we got for this mix too? I know what it is already. Wait, nope, I forgot. Never mind. Okay, fish and chipped. Fished and chipped. Is this... Oh, we got a plastic body on this one. Okay. This is one of the better looking fantasy cars. I think I like it. Metal base. These used to be metal top and plastic base. Demo time. Hey, not too bad. Not too shabby on this fish and chipped. Here we go. Number 8, nice gray color. I could tell it was plastic because of those mold lines there. Pretty dang cool. All right. These must be chases. Yeah, number 2. We're going to save that one for last, I guess. That's a 3. So this one's probably... This is a 4. Okay. Isn't the 4 like a Formula 1 car? I think it is. This would be like my third one. This is my third Formula 1 car. Hey, not too shabby. I like the white wheels with the red. Look at that. This is a nice Formula 1 car. Number 4 in the set, although it's not like a chase or anything, it's usually like a better casting, like an F1 or a Bone Shaker or something. Yeah, check that out. That's cool. And that's probably the best looking F1 car I have now, of this particular casting at least. All right, number 3 coming up. Should be a Mercedes. Right, I am. This is like a pearl kind of... No, is it pearl or is it... No, it's actually enamel. Enamel baby blue. Mercedes 300 SL. What a cool casting though, guys. Don't you agree? Old classic Mercedes with the gull wing doors. And this is a chase in this set. And what a beauty. I have a red one as well. Not the Super, but it came out in like early 2023, I believe. And then I have a gray one from 2021. I think that's the third one that I have. And of course, this should be a BMW M4 or something along those lines. Yeah, look at this thing. Oh, it's a Z4. It's a Z4 M. So yeah. BMW Z series. The Roadsters. Gotta love it. I saw a Z8 the other day. You really don't see these too often on the road. But look at that. Got the M stripes on it. Very fitting. These wheels spin like absolutely amazing. Listen to that. They barely make any noise. Gloss black. Looking absolutely amazing. Very sharp. And this is a chase. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Which one was your favorite? Let me know down in the comments below. See you guys.